This is a real education, a real program. They're real courses. Get engaging with students. So the one nice thing about Newstate is that there's not like forced discussions, a discussion board within the class, but there is a LinkedIn group that is private for just Newstate University community. And that was really nice to see, because there's some conversations, there's link sharing of different things that are happening within the world. And so I did get to meet, and some of them I ended up, connecting with on LinkedIn, which was nice as well. So sometimes, as you're reading things and you go through the content, you might go, oh wait, what was that I just read? And you can just ask the coach, and it'll tell you what your, answer those questions that you have that may have came up that you've thought about later.